everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is not exactly how I was anticipating this to go, hence the partial unboxing. But I'm just gonna roll with the punches. You know how I do. This video needs to go up today because there is some additional information for you to know in case you missed out on the pre-sale of our adorable little Scentsy Buddy, the child. If you missed out on the pre-sale, you're gonna wanna listen up because I have crucial information for you if you are wanting to pick one up for yourself. So I went ahead and placed my pre-orders as soon as they were available. I placed them. I was within the first round of finalizing the pre-orders and those emails. I finalized everything. I ordered a couple of bars to go along with it. I have the bars, but my buddies aren't here yet. So I did check even this morning and they have shipped, but they're obviously not here yet. So I don't want to wait any longer just because I have a feeling like the child is going to sell out super, super fast. So I want to be able to give this information to you now so that way you can be prepared tomorrow for the public full launch, if you will. So we are going to do a first sniff together. Are you guys proud of me? Are you proud of me? Because look at this. I have not sniffed this yet. I got the bars several days ago at this point. I just set them aside. I was like, I don't even want to look at them. I don't even want to look at them. I'm just going to set them aside. And then when the buddy comes, then we can do this full-on unboxing together. But here we are. We're gonna do our little sniff session first, and then later when the child Scentsy Buddy comes in, then I'll finalize and do that final unboxing with you guys. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and talk some details here. So if you are newer to Scentsy or newer to my channel, I have already done a couple of videos sharing this information with you guys, but if you are newer, let me just skim over some of this information. So if you are not aware, Scentsy and Disney have this beautiful partnership and they have made some really amazing products together, and it's just been a crazy wild ride, and the details and all the things, the bars, the buddies, the warmers, all of it has just been absolutely spectacular. And this is absolutely no different. So if you are the child fan or Baby Yoda fan, you are not gonna wanna miss out on this. So they have already run pre-sales. So if you missed out on that pre-sale, it's not too late, because guess what? The child is going to be made publicly available starting tomorrow, June 18th, 2020. You guys know how Scentsy rolls. Sometime within the hours when it's going to launch of 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's not going to launch right at 9:30, just sometime within that hour. They don't tell us an exact launch time because guess what? Scentsy breaks the internet. That's why. And if you have been around and you have seen Jack Skellington, if you saw the flash of the summer collection, you know. We don't mess around. We don't mess around. When things launch, we need all the things and we need it now. So we take this very seriously. So anyway, so that's why I wanted to do this video for you guys now. In case you did miss out on the pre-sale, I want to give you the opportunity to be able to snag one of these cuties for yourself starting tomorrow. So let me go ahead and go over some of this information with you. I will show you some pictures that I know you've probably already seen in the other videos, unless you haven't seen those videos yet. So I'll show you some images of the buddy until my buddy comes in. And then we'll do an unboxing obviously when it comes in. But I just have a feeling like when I do actually get mine home, it's probably not going to be available anymore. So I just felt like this one last video to be able to share this is good. Plus we're going to do our first sniffs together. So let me read to you a little bit from what Scentsy has told us. The Mandalorian took the world by storm thanks in no small part to this adorable pint-sized superstar, the child, also known as Baby Yoda. And now we're thrilled to announce that the child Scentsy Buddy, an exclusive The Mandalorian Air of Adventure fragrance, will be available starting tomorrow, June 18th, while supplies last. This is so exciting. This is so exciting. Now, the bar is still currently available. So if you already did your pre-sale for the child Buddy, but you didn't grab a bar for yourself, you can go and buy the bar now. I just want to make sure, because I meant to check this before I started recording. I just want to make sure that it is actually still available. They may have separate stock. I don't know this for sure, but they may have some separate stock to be able to add some things like additional bars starting tomorrow, maybe potentially. So you'll go to you go to my website, go to your consultant's website. If you don't have a consultant, go to my website. Go to the collections tab, and from collections, you're gonna scroll down to Star Wars. And you'll see there's a whole bunch of stuff that's already sold out of stock. It's okay, just keep scrolling. And then down at the bottom, you'll see that there is a scent pack in light side of the Force. And then there is the bar down at the bottom, the Mandalorian Air of Adventure Scentsy bar. So you can purchase the bar right now if you want to, or I would recommend, the bar should still stay available by tomorrow, I would assume, but I've learned not to assume with Scentsy. You can never be too sure. So if you're wanting to just place your order now for some bars, you can do that now. Or if you already did the pre-sale and you're like me and still waiting on your buddy, you can get the bars now. They are available now. And more details. So let me see here. So the buddy is going to be available for $45, and that also includes the scent pack. Now this is US pricing. So you will get the child buddy along with the Air of Adventure scent pack for $45. If you want the bar itself by itself, you don't want the buddy, or maybe you already, like I said, maybe you already finalized your pre-order and you just missed out on the bar, it's $6.50 by itself, or you can do a bundle and save with other licensed products, licensed bars. So you can mix and match with other Disney bars if you want to, or other licensed bars if you want to, or you can do all of one fragrance if you want to, totally up to you. So let me just make sure, double check on the time. So yeah, it will be available starting tomorrow, June 18th, 2020, sometime within the hour of 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Set your alarms. It's gonna go fast, you guys. That's just how we roll. Okay, let me show you a couple of pictures really quickly, and then we'll get to our sniff sesh, okay? So, how cute. I can't wait. I can't wait. Well, I'm gonna have to wait. There's no other options here. Check out how cute he is. Oh, how cute. So cute. Look at those ears. Look at those ears. FedEx is pulling up. Too bad they don't have my baby Yoda. Check out this picture too. How sweet. How fun is this? You guys, I haven't even seen a Star Wars. I know that's probably, you probably want to throw rocks at me and stuff, and that's okay. I still think he's super cute. Super cute. So I can't wait to get my hands on him. I can't wait for my buddy to come in so I can then unbox and share with you. But in the meantime, I do have the bars. So let's go ahead and rip into these bad boys. Whew. I can already smell it. I'm intrigued. Ooh, it's a green wax. How appropriate. Of course it's green. Of course it's green. So the name of it, like I mentioned, is Air of Adventure. You can see the packaging here. And this perfect Yoda green wax. I didn't even, like it, I didn't even put two and two together. I was thinking, oh, maybe it'll be a pretty blue or whatever. No, nope, it's gotta be green. So let's sniff this out here. Okay, totally not what I was expecting. Totally not what I was expecting. Yeah, I don't know what I'm smelling in here, but it's not this. Oh, this smells good. I was expecting much more, not to say that this isn't masculine, I was expecting more of like a masculine cologne type scent. No, this is not. This is more, there is a little woody note to this, but there's a sweetness. Oh, I like this a lot. Let me tell you what Scentsy says about this, and I'll let you know, because I don't really know exactly what I'm picking up. I just know it's a little woody. And there is a sweetness, but there's also something else in this. But I really like it. I really like it. I was not I figured I would like it. I did not anticipate loving it. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's nice. I need to seriously, I need some help with my Scentsy club. That's what I need, because I feel like this, it reminds me of something too. This kind of reminds me of something. What is it? It'll come to me. You just wait. Okay. Let's see here. That's why I didn't think I was gonna like it. Air of Adventure, Silver Mint. That's why I didn't think I was gonna love it. This doesn't smell minty to me. Not to me. If it is, it's a sweeter, like almost, it's not spearmint. Like I don't smell mint when I sniff this out. Maybe a little bit of freshness, but it's more, oh man, this is good. It's different. Silver Mint, like Mandalorian armor, surrounds crisp bergamot and earthy-sweet geranium, while a touch of eucalyptus and bright orange zest hint at the adventures ahead. Scentsy, I'm gonna take your word for it, because my nose can't really pick out exactly what I'm smelling. Maybe a hint of the orange zest. That's what's giving it the sweetness. Maybe a touch of eucalyptus. That's kind of giving it a freshness. Same with the mint, like a little bit of freshness, but I wouldn't, man, I love this. I was not anticipating loving this as much. Otherwise I only got 2 bars, you guys. Otherwise I would have stuck it in a 3-pack, or we would have even done like a 6-pack. Not all of this scent, but maybe 2 more bars of it. Oh, this is good. Oh, that's really nice. And I don't think it's gonna be super, super heavy or strong. So if you are sensitive, I feel like this is gonna be okay. And especially if you like those kind of, not, is earthy the right word? Herbal, fresh herbal, kind of sweet. I would categorize this in the fresh scent, I think. Fresh scent category. But man, I was not anticipating liking this. Scentsy's done it again. Oh man, this is really, really nice. So I would highly recommend giving this a try. Like I said, I don't think it's gonna be crazy strong, but I feel like this will be nice for a bedroom, for a bathroom, or if you just like those kind of, this is almost like, I can almost see this or smell this in like an essential oil, but it's not so in your face like that. Oh, this is really nice. And like I said, there's just that little hint of sweetness that I feel like complements everything else in this so super well. Wowzers. Like I said, I was not, that took me by surprise. That definitely took me by surprise. I love, love, love this scent. Let me know. Let me know if you have done your pre-order, if you've gotten your buddy. Like there's a ton of people who have already gotten their buddies and I'm like, super jelly over here. I'm like, man, because there's a lot of people posting, look what came, look, and I'm just like, oh man, I'll just sit patiently over here waiting. No, I totally understand. Scentsy is working their booties off to get all the products out as fast as possible. There is still a delay. I can still say that I'm anxiously waiting, but as soon as I do get the child in, it sounds so funny, as soon as I get the child in, I will be unboxing and sharing it with you, but I didn't want to wait too long just because I have a feeling like by the time I get him in my arms, I feel like he's not going to be available anymore. So I wanted to share it with you first. So if you've already done your pre-order, or maybe you're not interested in the buddy, give this scent a try. Oh my goodness, it is so good. It's really good. Let me know if you have already gotten this scent and what your thoughts are. If you like it, what your thoughts are, how the performance is, because obviously I haven't warmed this yet, but I have a feeling like I may be warming this very soon. This is really, really good. Totally surprised. So set your alarms, set your calendars for tomorrow, Thursday, June 18th, sometime within the hour of 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is when the child is going to be launched again. So if you already did the pre-sale, you don't have to worry about that. Just worry about completing that, that pre-sale process. But if you did miss out on that, maybe you're newer to Scentsy, now is your time. Now is your time. So make sure you go to my website, which is always linked down below, or if you already have a consultant, go to your consultant's website and snag one of those cuties up for yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.